kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby.
As EarthPak's flagship product, our original bag comes in a variety of sizes from 10 liter to 55 liter. All sizes are great for travel and fit the carry-on allowance for most airlines. The 10 and 20 liter sizes contain a single adjustable shoulder strap that can be worn across the chest or over the shoulder, convenient for those active in open water activities and sports. These sizes are perfect for day trips or carrying your beach essentials. Our 30 to 55 liter sizes can carry a lot more gear and feature padded shoulder straps and a chest strap designed to distribute large loads evenly. A waist belt is also featured on our largest size, the 55 liter. The original dry bag series is constructed with welded, leak-proof seams and 500D PVC material, making it entirely waterproof and resistant to abrasion and punctures. The roll top closure provides leak-proof and airtight protection, stopping all elements from damaging your belongings. Plus, the D-rings allow you to tie down your bag to the side of a raft, boat, or kayak. Our minimalistic design makes this dry bag perfect for any adventure. Pack up and go with our original series dry bags.
GOSUN is always innovating to provide you with more independence. A solar table is something new and quite helpful. You can always use an elevated surface while out and about, and in this case, the 60-watt solar panel becomes a small power plant to keep your devices charged up. GOSUN's compact solar table is made of tough tempered glass and aluminum, so it's highly portable and durable. Its adjustable height surface provides 8 square foot area that can be used for meal prep, and while underneath becomes a shelter from rain or sun. You'll want to pair it with GOSUN's power bank, which plugs into the table's long power cord to charge during the day's sun. The solar table can also be used to charge the power bank while folded, which is often helpful to be angled perpendicular to the sun. Providing critical summer shade for the GOSUN Chill, a portable solar cooler, and a great surface for our Fusion hybrid solar oven, these appliances are kept running off-grid thanks to the table's built-in solar module. To set up, find a flat area in the sun, swivel the locking latches near the carrying handle, and unfold while the table surface is sideways. While in this position, you can pull out the legs and lock their braces. With a quick rotation onto its feet, the table is set up. There are 3 height settings, with the highest set around a standard table height. To get there, step on the lower leg brace while pushing on the locking buttons on either leg, then pull the legs up until they lock in position. Once up, swivel lock the table surfaces in the middle, and now you can move the table wherever you want. We love using the table at camp or on the beach. It has become a nice coffee table and a desk. GOSUN's solar table can handle about 75 pounds, so it should not be used for sitting. When it's time to pack up, remember to release the middle swivel locks and leg braces before folding and then reversing the setup. Stay tuned as we work on accessories for your solar table and off-grid kitchen. GOSUN thanks you for being part of the fuel-free frontier.